Hello guys, this is Kokampofu here and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video or in today's tutorial, as you can see on your screen, we are going to recreate this stunning crypto currency design or crypto brand design. So this was done with just my smartphone, so we're just going to learn how to do it with no stress. So be with me as we start. Let me hide this and show you the resources that I use. This is what I use for the background, and this is the logo of the brand. Alright, so let's just dive into the tutorial. Let's lock or sync them and then begin with the background manipulation. So first of all, let me talk about the background. This is the logo, the brand's logo color or brand color. So I just uploaded this and then went to color, and then I picked it from the logo. This is the dominant color, so I just chose that one, even though I could have used the other purple, but I thought this one was okay, so I used this. And then I came to this manipulation. As you can see, the color and the brand color, this and this doesn't match, and this doesn't match, so you just have to adjust the hue of these two to fit into the brand's color. So I pick this one, and then you come to this side, color filter, and then the hue. This is the hue. So I think the hue was 160 or 130. I think it was 130, and I did this 5, and I did this one to 5, and then I just have to adjust it to this. So this that I did, and then I reduced the opacity to 15. I just didn't want it to show much, and then we lock it. Then we came to this 1 2 as well. You just have to blend it. So you come to this color filter, I come to the hue. This one was -85, and then I did contrast 5, and then saturation to 5, and then I just brought it down here. I just wanted the lines in this, I just needed the lines in this design to be on it. That's why I introduced this also into it. So I just do this way, and then the opacity too was 15. Alright, so that was it. Then you lock it. So whichever will work, you can bring this one to the top, but I would prefer that the last one, this one comes down first, come down, and then you move. Let me hide this, and then introduce this. Let me unlock design, because that's what I'm going to use as a case study to front. Alright, so you just have to adjust it. Alright, I think this is cool. It should be always almost the same. I think it's perfect. And then that was it. As you can see on this design, I'll bring it to front. You can see some lightings here and then on the background, so we're just going to achieve that. So let's just go. What I did was this, and then I place it at the edge here, let's bring to front, and then do something like this. It's okay. And then I give the opacity 50, and then this one to front, place it here, and I decrease the opacity to 50 as well. Then I lock the two. Right, so now let's go to the royal work. I just wanted this to PB at the side just to depict the brand we are working for. Alright, so we just come to this plus sign, you come to shapes, sticker, and then after here you just have to tap on the screen like this. After you come here, sticker, you tap on the screen, you see it will leave this stick something on it, so I just have to adjust it like this and then give it color. So then I pick the color from this, the lighter part of it, that is this one, and then I brought it to the back, something like this, and then I sent it to back. So shouldn't be back like this, so I just have to bring it somewhere here, so that I just wanted it to be behind this very thing, nothing else. And then this one too, let's change the color, and then I adjust it a bit, I place it somewhere here, and then I copied it lastly and I place it somewhere here. Let's reduce this one a bit. No, let's lock this. Alright, this is okay. So you lock it, and then as you can see on this design here, this very portion here, you could see that effect on there, or on it I should say. So I did it this way, the same thing. I copied this, then just do this when I twisted it somehow like this. Let me lock this before it gets interrupted. So something like this, I place it somewhere here. Yes, I think this one is cool. And then the next thing is to just write. So let me just unfold these writings. So this is how I achieved this. The font I use is Ionic. Let me check. AIL. Let me check to see. Yes, this is the font that I use. I use a bold AIL or whatever they call it. This one is what I use. It will be made available, so I selected the board, and then I came to color. When I came to color, it will be here, so I came to the gradient, and then I came to this plus sign, right? And then as you can see here, so this is how I achieved it. Let me not use this. Came to this, let me choose this default here, and then I tap on this very one. So I pick the darker side, I pick the color from this, and then I pick the same color for this one as well. But this time around I just have to play with the intensity. I brought it down a bit, that is somewhere here will be okay, and then I copied it again, and this time around I made it a bit lighter, something like this. Okay, something like this should be okay. You just have to play along with it. So I think this is okay, right? So this is cool. So, then the other one is I use Vastego for this font. So you come to font, and then I use Vastego I think I use medium. Yes, this is the medium I use. This is a font. It will be made available for you, and then I place them at the middle. Alright, so I think that wasn't how it was arranged. Let me see. Yeah, it is how it was, 2 lines. Alright, great. So we now come to the other side of it, the edges. I just introduce this shape like this, and then I decrease opacity to I think 50, or let's use 45 will be okay. Then I gave it a stroke of 1 and I give the stroke color should be also white. I bent it this way. There was 15 was what I used. Good. So this is what I achieved. But if you can see on it, you can see it is slanted from here. All of them were slanted. So what I did was to come to perspective, and I adjust it somewhere like this. Good. This is how I was able to achieve it, and then copied it. Copied it. Okay, let me see. I think it's very big. Let's reduce it a bit. I think something like this is okay. Let's delete these ones. Alright, I'll move with this one. So let's see how it was. Good. So I used this Vastego, copied it, and I wrote my save. And I adjusted it small to fit into the style we've given it. So the working was -10. Position is very well. copy it, and then secure. I think secure was somewhere here. Let me check. Okay, fast, safe, secure, reliable. So the safe will be down here. Copy it, write it fast. Then the secure will be here. I think the font, the size was 40. I use here. Let's make it a bit bigger. $45 will be okay. $45, and this was what I used, 40, because the handwriting was very long and I didn't want to increase the size of the box too as well, so I just have to decrease it. And then reliable. I decrease the size 35. Good. We're almost done. The last thing is the footer. I just came here, shape, and then I just increase the radius to, I think it was 10. Adjust it in order for this edge to also show. Good. I did this way. You lock it, and then I introduce another shape. Made it a bit smaller. Radius 25 should be okay. Only this way. And I change the color to this one. Let me check. No, the lighter one. So I decrease, I made it this way, right? So let's adjust this. Well, good. This is fine. And let's bring the foot up a bit. Good. And I copied this one and then brought it here, edit it, and then I just have to take out the opacity, give it a stroke of 1, and then give it a color of white. I think I use black, but let's use this one. Then this is it. Good. So you bring the two of them down. And bring it down, and then you move it up a bit again. Let's see, like this, or 1, 2. We do the same thing here. 1, 2. I just want to see the alignment is the same. Then I used I think, let me check the font I used for that. font. Okay, that was the Vastego I used. So copy this one. Trade now. And then the font I used was Vastego medium or semi-bold. I think I used semi-bold. And then the color is the darker part of the dominant color. So this one is what I increase it, I decrease it a bit, then I place it there. Good. And then let's make things fast, so let's introduce these ones to front. Good. So this is what I did. Edit. So this is, you can see I've written VN here. So the VN, and I spaced it, and then the other font I used was Vastego. So let's say this is what I use, and then this is what it was initially. This is how it was, but I just came here and I selected, if this is how it's going to be, then you come to font, you select only this part, and then you come and then select this font, icon font. So the icon, the V stands for the call and the N stands for the WhatsApp. So that is what I use in achieving this portion of it. So just have to bring it into the box a bit 3. Then you bring this one to here, this one to the, you use the same icon, same first procedure, but the font is F and C for the Facebook and then Instagram. So that is how I was able to achieve this. So that is it all in this design. After that, you just have to come to save image, make sure you select ultra, and then you save your work. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video very interesting, hit the subscribe button if you are now going to subscribe, or if you haven't subscribed yet. So this is the design we just did. It's not beautiful? So just like, share with anyone that will benefit, and also subscribe. See you in another video.